In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export Excel files on Monday.com. Managing your data is crucial, and being able to seamlessly transfer it in and out of Monday.com can save you a significant amount of time and effort. Whether you are bringing new information into Monday.com or exporting it for external analysis, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. To begin with the import process, first, navigate to the board where you want to import your Excel data. This is essential because the data you're bringing in will be organized and displayed on this specific board. Think of this board as your workspace where everything you import will reside. Once you're in the right place, look towards the top of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it. This leads you to a menu with various options. From that menu, select the Import Data option. This is the gateway to bringing external information into Monday.com. Once you click on Import Data, you'll see a list of import options. Since our focus is Excel files, click on Excel from the list. This selection prompts you to browse your computer for the Excel file you want to import. Find your file and upload it. As it uploads, Monday.com starts aligning your Excel data to the board's layout, allowing you to make any adjustments if needed. Now let's discuss exporting your data from Monday.com back into an Excel file. This can be particularly useful for performing offline analysis or sharing data with someone who might not have access to your Monday.com account. Begin by locating the three dots in the upper right corner of your board. This is sometimes known as the More Actions menu. Clicking here reveals several actions you can take. Look for the Export to Excel option and click on it. You'll be prompted to choose an export type. This step is where you decide what format or structure your exported data should take when it's converted into an Excel file. Generally, Monday.com offers options that cater to different needs, such as exporting just the visible columns or the entire dataset with all details included. Once you've made your choice regarding the export type, simply click on the Export button. Depending on the size of your board and the data within it, your file will either download almost instantly or take a few extra seconds. The exported file will be available in your default download location, ready for you to use as you see fit. And there you have it. Importing and exporting Excel files on Monday.com is relatively straightforward once you understand where to find these options. These capabilities can enhance how you manage and share your data, maximizing the efficiency of your workflow. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.